Son, come hug me. It's New Year's.
Wait, Dad, I'm live right now.
I'm home, champ.
Yeah, cool. I'm watching something.
How was your day, sweetheart?
Ha ha ha, check this meme, Mom.
Can we have one meal without the phone? Stay till midnight? Celebrate with us?
Just 1 hour, Dad. I'll be back soon.
Happy birthday, son. I love you.
Thanks, Dad, I'm busy. Talk later.
I wanted to talk with him. Why did you cut the call?
Our son is too busy to talk right now. We will wish him later. Happy birthday again, champ. Got some free time now?
Thanks, Dad, but I am reposting stories right now. You got to sleep.
And then, time ran out.
He always waited for you. He just wanted your time.
I can't hug him anymore. I can't laugh with him anymore. I was too busy, and now it's too late.
You never realize the value of a moment until it becomes a memory.
I'm sorry, Mom. I should have been there.
He knew you loved him. He just missed you.
The past can't be changed, but the future can. Narrator's son puts the phone at silent.
Look who's unplugged now.
Yeah, finally living life. I used to think games and screens were happiness. Now I know, this is what real happiness feels like.
Life is out there, beyond the screen. Unplug from the virtual world. Reconnect with the real one. Because one day, you'll wish you had more memories, not more notifications.